Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope that everyone out there is doing well today. If this is your first time here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So for today's video, guys, we are actually going to be unboxing the Cocotique Beauty Subscription Box for the month of August. If you're not familiar with Cocotique, it is a monthly lifestyle and beauty subscription box which caters to women of color. Each month in the box, you receive between 5 and 8 deluxe or full-size beauty products, and they can include anything from skincare, hair care, and makeup. And the cost of the box is $25 per month with free shipping. Now, before we go ahead and dive into the box, I do want to take a second to apologize for my absence for the past 3 weeks. Unfortunately, we had someone very close to us pass away unexpectedly, and we had to take some time as a family to step away and deal with that and try to get back to some kind of normalcy, or back to our new normal as we will now know it. So I do apologize for being away for the 3 weeks, but I did want to give you guys an explanation as to why I had not been uploading videos. But now I am back, and hopefully there will be nothing else of this magnitude that will come along and disrupt the flow of things. With that said, let's go ahead and dive into this month's Cocotique box and see what we got. When you receive your box each month, it comes in a pretty little box like this with the whites and golds, and it's the same on both sides. And when we open it up, it is packaged like that, and on top there is the actual card that we receive each month. The card tells you a little bit about the theme, and then on the other side it has the products in the box listed. Now this month it says Cocotique Self-Care Essentials. This month's box is filled with some new self-care essential finds and some of our subscriber faves. I focused on covering your facial, hair, and body skincare concerns. With the summer sun beating down on these sensitive areas, I wanted to give them extra special attention. Please be sure to take some time to pamper yourself and make yourself a priority this month. And please don't forget to share your pics on social media. I love seeing how you incorporate your beauty goodies into your self-care routine. I hope you enjoy these last days of summer. Dana Hill, founder and CEO. Nice. Okay. So let's go ahead and see what's in this box. Okay, I'm seeing another card here. And it says, way more than a moisturizer. It's an entire skincare set for free. Hit us up for the rest of the routine. Just $4.95 shipping and handling. Curology.com. So I'm guessing this is something that we can order from Curology, a free starter kit it looks like, and the shipping we'd pay $4.95. And it says on the back here, ultra personal skincare for your individual needs, and get the first full set for free. Get the first full set for free, featuring a custom cream made for your breakouts, fine lines, dark spots, and beyond. Nice. Okay, so you get your first set from Curology for free. Well, you pay $4.95 shipping and handling, but you don't pay for the actual products themselves, and this is just the steps to go ahead and get that. Okay, this is nice. I'm gonna have to go on and try that out. I hear Curology is pretty good. I've never tried anything from them though. Okay, the next thing that I am seeing in here is Mask Bar Gold Foil Peel-Off Mask. So we have 2 peel-off masks in here. And I absolutely love getting masks, so these will come in handy. I actually just ordered a whole bunch more because I use them on a regular basis. And I've never tried this brand, Unmasked Beauty, it's called. Okay, so I'm not going to read the description for masks because we pretty much know how those work, but we got 2 of those in there. And the next thing I am pulling out is, we got 2 of these as well, by Essenza. And it's Essenza Pure Essential Oils, Aromatherapy Shower Burst, Invigorating Grapefruit. So it's a shower burst. Not sure. Let's see what this does. Hold on. Okay, this shower tablet will fill the air around you with delightful aroma of essential oils, creating a luxurious spa experience. So, okay, turn on warm shower water. Place shower burst on the floor of the shower. Okay, so you actually place these on the floor of the shower, and I guess they're like bath bombs or so for the shower, but they have like an essential oil in them, and this one, they're both, actually I think they're both grapefruit. Yes, invigorating grapefruit, they're both. the same. That's kind of interesting. Huh. All right, I'm looking forward to trying that out. I've never used anything like that, so I'm interested to see how that'll perform for me. Now, the next thing I'm taking out, it says it's by Reshma, and it says Multani Mitti Fuller Earth Face Mask, Anti-Aging and Antioxidant Properties. So this is another face mask. Huh. I wonder how this works. Let's open this up. I'm curious about this. Oh, okay, that doesn't do much. It's in a package like this, but it says it can be used for all skin types, and take 1 packet of Multani Mitti powder and mix well with a small amount of water or other liquid ingredient as suggested above to reach a paste-like consistency, and apply to clean, dry skin. Can be applied all over your skin, including face and body, and let it sit for 7 to 10 minutes until completely dry, and then wash it off. Okay, so it's a anti-aging face mask that you mix and put on your face and leave on for 7 to 10 minutes and then rinse off. Now, I've never heard of the brand and I've never tried anything quite like this, so I'll be interested. I would definitely be interested to see how this works. That's a little different for me. Okay. Now, the next thing I am pulling out, it says crack. A habit-forming hair fix, original styling cream. Okay, I've never heard of that, but it's a hair cream. And let's see what it says about this. Crack Hair Fix Styling Cream, a multitasking anti-frizz leave-in treatment styling cream. It's perfect for all hair types, provides protection from heat and thermal styling while adding shine to your hair for that polished all-day look. And the scent is addictive, hence the name Crack. So now I gotta smell this. Let me see what this smells like. Put a little bit on my hand. That's the consistency. And I know it's for your hair, but I just want you to see what it looks like. I mean, it smells good. It has a nice soft smell to it to me. Not something I think I would be addicted to, but it does smell nice. Okay, I'll be interested in trying that. And it says for all hair types, so I can try that out and see how it works. Great. Wipe that off my hand real quick. Okay, next we have an unscented deodorant. It's from Green Goo, Plants with Purpose, plant-based deodorant and baking soda free, and it says aloe vera gel glide, and it doesn't have a scent, but you know, let's just smell it anyway. It actually smells like lemon to me. It said it's unscented, but it really smells. As soon as I open it, I smell the smell of like a lemony flavor. It almost reminds me, I don't know if you guys remember those candies, like the hard little lemon heads. That's what this smells like to me. Okay, so I'm not gonna read the description for deodorant because we all know how deodorant works, but this is a plant-based deodorant, baking soda free. So, see how that works. Well, actually, I guess we'll see how this works out. If not, I'll pass it on to someone else. I'm not sure how I feel about that. Okay, next we have, the next item in here is actually from Curology, and it's a moisturizer. It says the moisturizer. And apply to face and neck after cleansing morning and night. We believe in simple, just hydrates. Just hydrates without clogging. So it's just a moisturizer. Let's go ahead and take a, did I show you the bottle before I do that? I think I did. Might be getting ahead of myself. Let's go ahead and take a pump and see what the consistency. Okay, it's a nice consistency. Very nice. Feels good. Feels really good. Doesn't have much of a smell to it at all, but it feels nice and the consistency is really nice. Let's see what it says about this real quick, if I can find it. Curology the Moisturizer, a gel cream hybrid with a cloud-like texture. It's buildable, breathable formulation, lightly hydrates the skin and keeps its moisture levels balanced. I guess they gave, they started us with this and then you can go on and get the rest of the kit with that. So, okay, nice. I can always use a good moisturizer, so that'll get some use. Next in here, I'm seeing something from Billion Dollar Beauty, Gold Infused Illuminator, and that's what that looks like. So I'm assuming this gold infused formula is able to adapt and adjust to suit all skin tones. It also moisturizes and makes sure your skin gets all the comfort and hydration it needs. So I'm guessing this is like a highlighter? That's what it sounds like, right? Oh no, let's open it and find out. open. Before I cut myself. Let's see what that is. Can you guys see that? Let's see. Nothing's coming out there. Doesn't feel like there's very much in here. Let me close it and shake it. I'm not getting anything out of that. Let's see. All right, got a little bit out. Okay, yeah, I guess that's like supposed to be a highlighter. It says illuminator, so that's the only thing. Infused illuminator, that's the only thing I can guess that it would be. I mean, it might be all right. I'm just particularly not thrilled with that color for me, but I mean, it feels fine, but maybe it's not. Yeah, I guess it is a little. I'm not sure what that is. I'm guessing it's an illuminator, but I don't see much sheen to it for it to be a highlighter. So maybe it's some kind of moisturizer. I'm really not sure, and the description is not giving me much either. I might just be crazy, but anyway, that was that, and it's 0.169 fluid ounces, so it doesn't really feel like much at all in here. So it's just enough to get a trial out of it to see if you like it and if you want to order some more, basically. Okay, so next we have, Eden Body Works Split-In Repair Mask. Lord, can I use that? All right, it says, works in minutes to transform hair and prevent additional damage. Use weekly to strengthen hair and lessen breakage and experience fewer split ends. And after shampooing, massaging the hair, working down the shaft to ends, cover with cap, leave on for 40 minutes. For deeper absorption inside the cuticle, add heat. Now, is this for natural hair or is it for, let's see, for anybody? Let's see. It doesn't say whether it's for just natural or color treated or permed hair. But I'm going to try this out because I definitely have some split ends and I want to see if this helps them out at all. Let's see how it smells. You guys know I like to smell stuff. Let's see. It smells pretty good. What is it? It almost smells like a fruit. Hold on. It smells like something I smelled before and I can't put my finger on it, but it's a nice smell. I actually like it. I like the smell of this. I can't really explain what it smells like, but it smells good. So this is probably the thing I'm most excited about so far in this box, because like I said, I definitely have split ends and I hope that this will help them out. I'm going to give this a try next time I do my hair wash and sit under the heat cap. Now we have one more thing in the box, and this is by Urbison. I think that's what that says. Let's see. Urbison Hand and Skincare Gift Set. This perfect little gift set helps you discover the diversity of Urbison while providing hands and skin with natural all-round protection every day. So it looks like limited edition hand and skincare. It's like a little set of moisturizers, and there looks like there's 5 of them in there. And on the back it says there is Urbison Camille Intensive Moisture. Then there's a hand cream original. There's a hand cream unscented. There's a lavender one and a wild rose one. So it's a set of different creams, 4 of them being hand creams, and I guess one is just an anywhere type of cream. Let's see. I'm trying to open this without cutting my hand. Okay. And it comes in, okay, you can slide the little box out like that. All right. And that's what they look like. There's 5 of them. I'm not going to take them all out, but that's about the size of 20 milliliters. And let's see what this one, this is the Intensive Moisturizer. So let's see what that's about. Okay, and it's covered with the gold foil is that gold? It's covered with the foil when I take the cap off. So let's see. Okay. This has a light scent to it, and that's what that looks like. So I think these like this would be good. What I would use them for is to throw them in my handbag. Like when I'm out and about and I need some moisture or need some hand lotion or something, I'd have this in my bag. So these would be great for that. Like I said, there are 20 milliliters of 0.67 ounces. So there's not a ton in here, but it's definitely enough for a few good uses, and especially with something you carry around. Like I said, throw in your handbag for when you need some lotion or some moisture, some extra moisture when you're out and about. But anyway, guys, that was everything that was in this month's box. And I guess this one, to be quite honest, I'm kind of so. Like, you know, I've had some that I've absolutely loved, and I don't like dislike this, but I'm not in love with it either. Like I said, my favorite product in the box is probably the split-in repair. And so just to recap what we got, we did get the split-in repair, which I showed you again. We got the Curology, which I shouldn't say because Curology, I've heard it's a really good brand, and we get to try a set out for $4.95 shipping, so basically free for the product and just pay the shipping. So with that said, so maybe I take that back. I think that's a great deal. I'm looking forward to trying that out. Next we have the crack, which is this original styling, what does it say? Habit forming hair fix, original styling cream, and it's called crack. Then we got the 2 shower essential oil balms that we can throw in there. We got this anti-aging mask. We got the 2 foil mask. We got the Green Goo deodorant. What is this? We got the gold infused illuminator, which I'm still assuming is like a highlighter, I guess. I'm not real sure. And then we got the set of hand lotions, which is 5. So, when I look at everything, it is a nice box. I guess, like I said, it's just probably not one of my favorites because we've had some that I've absolutely loved, especially like that spa month and things like that. But there's a good variety of products in here. You can, like I said, you can spend some time doing your face. You got some stuff for your shower. You got some stuff for your hair. You got some stuff to keep your underarms smelling good, and you got that lotion. You got the hand and skin cream that you can throw in your purse or use however you like. So for the $25, I do think the box is worth it. Like I said, it may not have been my favorite month, but overall I think it's a good value, and I really do enjoy getting the Cocotique boxes. This is one of the subscriptions I think I mentioned before. When I started out, I didn't think I would be with them long. I really didn't know what to expect, but I've been with them since I've subscribed, and I've enjoyed everything that I've got, and I think that they're really good subscription box, and the value for the price is there. So anyway, guys, if you received Cocotique, let me know what you thought about your box this month down in the comments below. If you don't receive Cocotique, I'll go ahead and leave a link to them down in the description box below so you can check them out if you want to. But other than that, that's all that I have for today. And thank you so much, as always, for spending a part of your day with me today. I really, really, really do appreciate it. And until next time, guys, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.